Hello friends, welcome to my video. Thank you so much for watching this video. And friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install PhraseExpress software, text editing software, and other writing instruction are available in this software. Okay, so I will download and install it into my PC in this video, and also I will show you the pricing plans and other additions instruction of the software in this video for your PC, Mac, or other devices, operating system devices. Okay, in this video, thank you so much for watching my video, and let's go to video and search here. Open your browser and search here PhraseExpress and search it. So open this first website, that is phraseexpress.com, and a professional text template solution, and no more typing the same phrase again. This is the overview of the software. So if you want to download for your Mac operating system, click here, and auto text software, or iPhone or iPad, click here, or Windows, click here. Okay, so this is for your different operating system software available for. Okay, so we will try to download for our Windows here, and all the other overview and features are available here. You can check out, and that is everything. Okay, so after that, the SQL server also available for your software, cross platform support, multi-language phrases, everything you can read out, check out here. Okay, so we are going to download for our Windows. Try now, and on the other hand, accept the license terms and PhraseExpress client. Okay, the latest version is 16.0.179, and release date is 23 of December 2022. English, German, okay, languages are compatible. So you can see here the 43 MB setup of PhraseExpress has been started to be downloaded for your PC, and you can check out the portable edition and SQL client manager here, and the variants and release notes are available. You can check out. The software is going to be downloaded, and that is 43 MB setup, and we will install after the completion of download. Thank you for watching this video. And on the other hand, friends, if you want to buy now, buy the full edition, you can check out here the pricing and different editions of Phrase shop. Okay, that is professional and standard. Professional use and phrase sharing, two features are available in the standard mode edition and professional edition. These feature till clipboard collection available in the professional edition, and the enterprise edition, all the features you can read out here are available here. Okay, so we are going to check out the pricing plans of these three editions. Okay, check out the pricing, and we will check out the pricing here. Okay, the standard edition have $18 of 1 unit price, and please enable cookies or just okay, that is $80, and on second, that is $120. That's name is professional, and you can buy the by giving the information here. Okay, that is $120, and the third one is $201, that is enterprise edition, and all the features differences are also available here. You can check out the features here, and in this way you can use your PayPal to purchase the software here. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you for visiting my channel. So guys, in this way you can also download and check out the pricing plans and all the features differences between different edition. And after this download completed, we will try to install the free edition of software into our PC. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you, and please subscribe to my channel if you are new on this channel. Thank you so much.